Another bolt, look. Frick. Why?
My brain, man.
Oh, I've got to piss around with this. Look, they've done it again, and they look. Fuck's sake.
Shit bolt.
Yeah. I'll be on fucking DPF again, you pricks. The f. Alright, let me piss around and get that off. I'll come back. Get out there. There's that one. It's a spanner. See that do this? Oh, cracked it. Why do they do this? Don't leave these bolts in the wrong. Or button up to something. Do you know what I mean? It's crazy.
What's that?
Oh, these bolts, man, they drive me mad.
They're all right,
I wonder if this one has got some bolts have flattened in the back of it, so you can actually